Hi, this is Michelle with Intentional Travelers. Today I'm going to show you the Clark and Mayfield laptop handbag, which I will be taking with me to Colombia in a few days. This is one of their newest collections called the Reed, and I have it in copper brown. The exterior is a textured polyester nylon. It has purse pockets inside the front zipper, with more bucket pockets and a padded sleeve inside for laptops up to 17.3 inches wide. There's also a hidden pocket in the back lining. The back you can either use as another pocket or unzip the bottom to slide the bag securely over the handle of any rolling luggage, and it snaps closed. So as I get ready to fly to South America, I'm just starting to pack my Reed handbag with everything that I'll need. So let's take a look. I like to keep the things that I'll use most often in the front purse pocket. So I have my passport, some cards, pens, sunglasses. This bag can easily handle laptops larger than mine. I believe mine's about 14 inches, but I do carry a portable keyboard with me, so I like to have the extra space and it just velcros in place. I also bring a portable mouse, camera, and each of those will go in a bucket pocket inside, my phone and wallet, notebooks, medicines, makeup, those kind of things I like to keep in one pocket together. My cords I'll keep with my other electronics. And I like to keep pills, wipes, those kind of things, even my checkbook, which I don't use that often, hidden in the back pocket. As you can probably see, I have plenty of space left in the bag. You can really fill it up as much or as little as you want because it is flexible material. That's what I have for now. Safe travels.